In this video, I'm going to talk about grade 9 math. So the topic is about power of rational numbers, like half square, half cube, negative half square, negative half cube. Look at example 1. So if we have 1 plus negative half plus negative half square plus negative half the cube. So if we have something like this, whenever we have odd exponent, so there's nothing here, we can just assume there's a 1 here. So it's a negative half power to 1. So its odd exponent will keep the negative sign. So it's 1 minus half plus. So negative half square, we have even exponent. So that will be half square. For this one, we have odd number again. So it's minus half cube. This will give us 1 minus half plus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 8. Then we find the LCD for the denominator. That will be 8. On the top, we have 8 minus 4 plus 2 minus 1. That will give us 5 over 8. Now let's look at example 2. We have negative 3.2 square minus 2 times negative 6.5 cube. So we have even exponent here that will cancel out the negative sign here. So we get 3.2 square minus 2 times. We have odd exponent for this one. So that will still give us negative sign. So we have 3.2 square minus 2 times negative 6.5 cube. That will give us 274.625. Then we will have 3.2 squared is 10.25 minus. So we have minus minus that will give us plus here. 2 times 274.625, that will give us 549.25. So basically 274 times 625 times 2. That will give us 549.25. Then we add them together. That will give us 559.49. So the formula for the general form is like a to the n. Or we can do minus a to the n. For this one, if n is odd, let's say a is greater than 0. If n is odd, we'll keep the negative sign, so it equals minus a to the n will equals negative a to the n. If n is even, minus a to the n will equal to a to the n. If n is even. And for a over b to the n equals a to the n divided by b to the n. For ab to the n equals a to the n, b to the n. Now let's look at example 3. So we have negative 2 over 3 plus negative 1 3 over 4 minus 5 over 6 squared. So we can convert this to improper fraction. That will give us negative 2 times 3 plus 2 on top over 3 plus. So this is negative 7 over 4 minus 5 over 6 square. So negative 8 over 3 plus, we add these together, 24, so it's negative 7 times 6 minus 4 times 5 square. Negative 8 over 3 plus, so we have 24 on the top, the negative 42 minus 20 square. So that will give us 62 negative divided by 24 square. Then we can simplify this. 62 divided by 24. They have 2 as a common factor, so it's 31 over 12. Minus 8 over 3 plus 31 divided by 12 is negative. And we have square here. So that will be negative 8 over 3 plus. Since this is even, so we can get rid of this negative sign. So it's 31 divided by 12 square. Negative 8 over 3 plus 12 squared is 144. 31 squared is 3193. 961. Then we can do just add these up. Then the final result is 1 over 144. So we just need to be careful about the exponent. When we have odd number, we can cancel out the negative sign here. If not, if we have even, odd will keep the negative sign. Even will cancel out the negative sign and give us the positive number. Okay, this is everything for today's video. Thank you for watching.